Welcome, friends. I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician, and we are revising important topics in the subject of psychology for first BHMS students of homeopathy. The topic number 57 deals with intelligence. So, let us recall the intelligence is the ability to think logically, act rationally, and to deal effectively with the environment. Intellectual development goes side by side with the development of physical and behavioral levels. Jean Piaget viewed intellectual development as an evolution of cognitive processes. A simple definition of intelligence can be: intelligence is a capacity to profit from the experience and to go beyond the given. Many psychologists defined intelligence in their own way. Some of them we can deal with them. They are as under: Binet and Simon. In 1905, he tells us the ability to judge well, to understand well, and to reason well. There are four essentials that were supposed to be the important for intelligence. Number one is direction, the ability to set up a goal and to work towards it. Second is the adaptability, ability to make necessary adjustments to solve a problem. Third is comprehension, ability to understand exactly what the problem is. And the fourth is the self-evaluation, the person's idea of whether he has been able to solve the problem correctly or not. Wechsler in 1939 tells us the aggregate or global capacity of individual to act purposefully, to think rationally, and to deal effectively within the environment. Howard Gardner also tells in 1986 as under: the ability or skill to solve problems or to fashion products which are valued within one or more structural settings. Broadly speaking, on scrutiny of above definitions, we can conclude that the intelligence consists of three general classes of skills or abilities, and they can be summarized as under: first is adapting to new situations and changing task demands, learning or profiting optimally from experience or training, and third is thinking abstractly using symbols and concepts. Robert Sternberg in 1997 tells us, however, very recently one pioneer, the intelligence researcher Robert Sternberg, has defined intelligence as: intelligence comprises the mental abilities necessary for adaptation to as well as shaping and selection of any environmental context. The peculiarity of this definition is that this definition goes beyond the adaptive nature of the intelligence. Therefore, intelligence is not just reaction to demands of environment, it is also involves actively shaping and selecting the environment. Intelligence of a person can be measured through intelligence test. Use of a battery of tests is preferred over a single test. Bibliography. We have used following websites to produce this current small talk. Thank you very much for patient listening.